Unbelievable.
Not what I'm believing.
Not really believing.
This is unbelievable.
It's a bottle.
Get it.
No, you can't. You can't do it.
Let's get it up.
Now you can see what.
This is Charlie.
Huh? I was
This is
hiding
bringing
that.
back memories. Girls, memories. You couldn't even get out of the store.
Cabbage Patch.
These scissors to the
talks.
store. They couldn't even wait for the store.
Oh.
Well, I got the rest later.
Why does he
Is that
talk?
your
Oh
baby?
my God.
That's your baby. Wait a minute. Hold on. What's her name? What should we call the
I think we should name it Charlie.
baby?
Because Charlie is a baby.
Ella, what would be the baby's name? What should it be?
Charlie.
Charlie?
I don't want it to.
No.
Where's this
Charlie's a
kid?
big boy. He's a big boy.
Ella, I have the name. How about Fred?
Fred. No.
You like
Yeah.
Fred, baby Fred. I think you got it.
It's better than 64 pictures.
This guy talked to
I don't understand that.
Look at Tops. You guys see that? Where's the bottle?
Fred.
Feed her. Tops.
The baby talks too? Fred talks?
No, that's Olaf. Ella, you have to have an Olaf from the Let It Go movie.
Where is it?
Right there. Olaf. You have to show that
That
to
picture
Ready?
of you and Richard and Moses.
That's
That
Olaf.
doesn't have those ears.
Here's the book, babe.
Ella, you got a new card.
Hey.
Oh.
This one is going to be saved.
Oh.
That's right.
You got a new card.
Whoa. Already open it up.
Wow.
It's probably the day.
Yeah, and she's